G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I want to talk to you about here is the Wurth Wiper Blades. Now, don't you hate it when you get in your car and you put your wipers on and they screech and they chatter across your screen, or they're just streaky and smudgy? Well, here at Wurth, we've got a solution for that. We have our standard wiper blades, we have our hybrid wiper blades, these are our flat screen wiper blades for the later model cars, and of course we've got a selection of inserts with clips or clipless, wider ones, narrower ones, all that sort of stuff. And of course we've got our commercial range as well, which go up to 1 metre long. So let's have a look at some of the blades. So I've got our standard wiper blade here, and I'll just open the pack. So it has a protective sleeve, we'll just remove that. And some of the features of this, they have a high quality paint finish which stops them rusting. They last a long time before they rust. All stainless steel pins, so you won't get a lot of wear inside the actual blade itself. And of course, they've got a natural rubber with graphite coating insert. That's that style. And here I have the Wurth flat blade. If I can just open it up, and I'll get it out. So what we get here is, in the pack, we get our flat blade wiper. And again, it's got a plastic protective sleeve to protect the rubber. Now the rubber insert, again, is a natural rubber with a graphite coating. We get a bag of clips in here. So what we can do is, these blades will fit multiple vehicles instead of one blade fitting one particular vehicle. And we can take the clips out, and there's a selection of them here, and we just remove the top clip, which is one that will fit general purpose, universal fitting, and then we can fit some of these other clips on for different types of vehicles. And we just clip them on like that. Now that'll fit a different type of vehicle. So you can see we can do multiple vehicles. And of course, our fantastic inserts, again, are a natural rubber with a graphite coating. And we have plastic backed, twin rail, clipless, all different lengths, up to 1 metre long for commercial vehicles as well. So that's the Wurth wiper range. So previously, you've seen me fit the flat blades. So let's go and revisit that. So when we get out to the car, what we can do, on the side of the box, we have a ruler. So we can simply lay that on the wiper, and we know that this vehicle needs a 650 on the driver's side, and a 475 on the passenger side. So now you've seen the wipers fitted, they're really easy to fit. Now, for the next 24 hours, if you spend $250 on the Wurth app or eShop to purchase these wipers, now you don't have to spend $250 all on one sort of blade. You can mix, match, inserts, different arms, but you've got to spend $250. Wurth will throw in a box of the fantastic Wurth Rapid Windscreen Washer fluid. There's 25 little bottles inside this box, and this stuff is fantastic. It's got a rubber rejuvenator in it, so it keeps the rubbers nice and soft so they'll wipe better. It has a fantastic peach smell, which is really good, and it is a very, very good soap for washing off all the dirt and bird droppings and things like that will get on your car. So to access the free box of the Rapid Windscreen Cleaner, go to the Wurth app or eShop, put your wipers in your basket. When you get to the checkout, type in "G'day Wipers," and we'll send you out this free box of the Rapid Windscreen Cleaner. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and Wurth Wipers, they're ready for work.